If you've ever wanted to bring that breezy, coastal chic Tampa vibe right into your home, then this video is for you. Today I'm sharing simple, affordable, Tampa-inspired do-it-yourself projects that instantly transform your space, whether you live on Harbor Island, in Hyde Park, or miles away, but want that Florida feel. Hello everyone, I'm Britta Becker, your trusted local Tampa realtor and host of American Dream TV's Selling Tampa. And if you love home design, Florida lifestyle, and Tampa real estate tips, hit that subscribe button now and let's dive right in. Stay to the end because I'll show you a bonus do-it-yourself hack that costs under $20 and gives you that luxury coastal look found in Tampa's most beautiful homes. Let's start with paint. By far the easiest and most transformative do-it-yourself. Tampa homes often feature coastal neutrals with pops of aqua, sandy beige, and crisp white. So try Sherwin-Williams Sea Salt or Benjamin Moore's Wind's Breath, both trending shades in Tampa's luxury interiors. And here's a pro tip: paint only one accent wall behind your sofa or bed for a low effort, high impact look. Add woven textures, light wood frames, and maybe a few shells or coral pieces to complete that Harbor Island inspired serenity. Here in Tampa, indoor-outdoor living is a way of life. So you can bring that vibe indoors with do-it-yourself greenery walls or easy patio makeovers. Try creating a mini lanai corner, perhaps using potted palms, string lights, and even an outdoor rug, even if you live in a condo. This not only brightens your space, but gives you that signature South Tampa lifestyle feel that buyers absolutely love. Local art and coastal decor. So if you want to make your space feel like Tampa without going overboard, support local artists. Print or frame photos of the Tampa skyline, Bayshore Boulevard, or perhaps the Davis Island Bridge. You can DIY your own gallery wall using thrifted frames and spray paint for a cohesive gold or matte black look. Add coastal pieces, driftwood, shells, or perhaps nautical rope for an elevated yet relaxed vibe. This touch is very Hyde Park meets Beach Park. Stylish but effortless. One of the most searched Tampa home design tips is improving natural light. If your home feels dark, swap in lighter window treatments, perhaps mirrors opposite windows, or even install dimmable LED fixtures. DIY tip: replace yellow bulbs with daylight white to mimic Florida's sunshine. It instantly opens up your space and definitely boosts your mood. No electrician required. Which brings me to budget-friendly luxury upgrades. So if you've ever been scrolling Zillow or touring Tampa homes, you've probably noticed those luxury finishes. But you don't need a renovation budget to achieve them. Try perhaps peel and stick backsplash tiles in coastal hues or contact paper that mimics marble. Swap cabinet hardware for brushed gold or matte black. Small details, but a huge impact. And here's a bonus idea: use leftover wallpaper to line drawers or the back of bookshelves for a boutique feel. Are you ready for that $20 luxury coastal hack? Buy a few woven seagrass placemats from Home Goods or maybe even Target and frame them in shadow boxes. Instant designer wall art with a Tampa waterfront aesthetic. It looks like something straight out of a Water Street condominium or penthouse, but takes under an hour. So which Tampa DIY are you trying first? Comment below and tell me. If you're dreaming of finding a Tampa home that's already bursting with that coastal charm, reach out to me directly and I'll look forward to assisting, guiding you through your dream home find. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you like, if you found any value in it, and I'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.